We're tracking a loud start to the day across parts of the southern plains, and we've been active in this stretch. In fact, street flooding and low-lying flooding has been an issue, to say the least, for Arkansas. This morning, we're showing you a live look at Texarkana, where we've had a lightning show. You can still see some flashes off in the distance, where not only do we have flash flood warnings going up for parts of Arkansas, but also severe thunderstorm warnings as well. So here's a wide look at radar. It's a lot to take in. This stretches from Texas all the way up towards Ohio. But to touch on some of these active warnings, I mean, for southern parts of Arkansas, we got both going on. Flash flood warning does include parts of Interstate 30, but you'll notice that the severe thunderstorm warning has a tornado tag possible. So Haley, you know, the details very important to pass along.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's something that we were highlighting yesterday, and this is kind of a late onset if we do see anything start to spin up, because yesterday we had a level 3 out of 5 threat for tornadoes a bit further north into Arkansas, but to see something embedded within that line, gusty winds are definitely starting to take over there as well. But I would say just north of the town of Atlanta along I-49, kind of in that general area, is where we have the rotation starting to kind of spin up there. Near Folk is the town. Folk,
yeah, on
maybe?
Interstate 49.
Yeah. Yep, around I-49. So that's just one, and thankfully we don't have multiple severe thunderstorm warnings popping up across the entire area, but it is just a sign that there is a little bit of rotation going on in this environment. And the SPC yesterday, they did call for strong tornadoes possible. Not to say that that's the case here, but it is just something with it being early in the morning for a lot of folks, you're not thinking about the chance of a
tornado warning.
Yeah,
and
sure.
You're just going to hear severe thunderstorm warning and not realize that this could pop into a tornado situation quickly. So hold off on your travel this morning outside of Texarkana. Again, that issue happening southeast of Texarkana. Meanwhile, San Angelo has had a severe storm roll by. Conditions are improving. They've dropped the warning, but some gusty winds reported in San Angelo. And then to the north of Arkansas, where we do have that tornado possible tag for Hempstead, Lafayette, and Miller counties, we have the flash flood warning that stretches from Nashville, Arkansas, all the way across Interstate 30 into Camden. So again, we're kind of battling two fronts here, the flooding concerns, but also the severe weather concerns. So here's the outlook for today. Again, stretches from Texas up through Kentucky.